Are you tired of spending hours chopping vegetables in the kitchen? Meet the 12-in-1 vegetable chopper by SpaceHacks, your ultimate meal prep companion. This versatile kitchen gadget is packed with features to simplify your cooking routine. From slicing cucumbers to dicing onions, it does it all. With its 7 interchangeable stainless steel blades, you can achieve professional-grade cuts effortlessly. Plus, the additional tools, like an egg separator and a finger guard, make it the perfect all-in-one solution for any home cook. The SpaceHacks chopper isn't just convenient, it's efficient. Its 1.7-liter container not only holds a generous amount of food, but also includes built-in drainage holes for easy cleaning and drying. The compact design ensures everything, including blades and accessories, can be neatly stored. Cleaning is a breeze, thanks to the included brush and scraper. Simply rinse the container and tools under running water. Safety is also a top priority. The non-slip base and protective finger guard keep your hands secure while you chop with confidence. This chopper excels in delivering consistent results every time. Whether you're slicing vegetables for a salad, shredding cheese, or julienning for a stir-fry, the sharp stainless steel blades handle it all. It's built for daily use, yet durable enough to support larger tasks like holiday meal prep. Imagine the time you'll save, allowing you to focus on cooking instead of prepping. Overall, the SpaceHacks 12-in-1 vegetable chopper is a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen experience. It's compact, efficient, and designed with safety in mind. Perfect for quick meals or festive feasts, this gadget will transform how you cook. Ready to upgrade your meal prep? Check out the link in the description and start chopping smarter today.